A full-stack developer is a software engineer who is proficient in all stages of software development, from conceptualization and design to implementation, testing, and maintenance. This means that they have a comprehensive understanding of how different layers of a software application work together, and are able to work on any part of the application. Full-stack developers are skilled in front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as back-end technologies like servers, databases, and server-side languages like PHP or Python. They are also familiar with the entire software development lifecycle, including requirements gathering, prototyping, testing, and deployment. One of the main advantages of being a full-stack developer is the ability to work on a wide range of projects and technologies, rather than being specialized in just one area. This can make them valuable assets to teams that need to quickly adapt to changing requirements or technologies. To become a full-stack developer, it's important to have a strong foundation in computer science principles and a willingness to constantly learn and stay up to date with new technologies. This can often be achieved through a combination of formal education, self-study, and hands-on experience. Many full-stack developers also have experience working on personal projects or open-source contributions, which can help them gain a diverse set of skills and demonstrate their abilities to potential employers. In summary, a full-stack developer is a software engineer who is proficient in all aspects of software development, from design and implementation to testing and maintenance. They have a broad understanding of different technologies and are able to work on any part of a software application. Being a full-stack developer requires a strong foundation in computer science, a willingness to learn, and hands-on experience.